Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn how to use input. So let's get started. I want you to open your favorite text editor, Windows, Notepad, Notepad++ or Atom, it doesn't matter, any will work fine. I will be using my fake text editor just to show you my code in clear view. Type what I type in your text editor, so follow along and listen very closely. We will create a very simple script. First we need to create a variable and name it name. It's important not to uppercase the first letter for the variable, it has to be lowercase and no spaces. Now we need to type the input function. Now inside the double quotes, we need to type a question. Type what is your name? But now what? We asked the user their name. What are you going to do with their name? Well, we welcome them. But how? We use the print function to print welcome plus the variable name we used for the input function. Whatever the user types, it will be the value for the variable name. So if the user types Anna as their name, the output will be welcome Anna. Now type the print function. Now inside the double quotes type welcome. Type comma after the last double quotes. Type the var name. Name. This is the output. It waits till the user types something. Now, for you to see the output, save the file test.py in your desktop. Open command prompt and type cd desktop. Now type python test.py. Type your name and click enter. I will be typing a fake name. See. The output is welcome Anna. Well, mine is welcome Anna. I don't know what you typed. So this is the end of my YouTube video. If this video helped you, why not support by clicking the like button and the subscribe button and donate at least $5 to my PayPal. The link will be in the description. It's your choice. Have a nice day.